Today I'm going to be unboxing Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash. Now this is a new product by Dawn. They are famously known for producing dishwashing detergent. And this is just a latest one of their products that they produce. This comes with a spray wipe rinse. That's a new feature that they talk about. Now, this is Dawn Ultra Platinum. I don't know what all that means, but it's supposed to be the newest thing on the market right here. It comes with an apple scent, even though the color is blue. This is the traditional color, the original color of Dawn dish detergent. And instead of painting or dyeing the detergent green, like an apple scent, they decided to leave it blue. Now let's look at the back of it. All right, so this unboxing is a little bit different because it's not an actual box that it comes into. So I'm just going to go over what it is and let you know, and then maybe give it a spray or so. And to do unboxing, maybe I'll take off this sticker. Now, basically what this is it's coming in a little bit closer so you can see this. It says it cleans up to 5 times faster grease cleaning. The directions for use: use in place of your normal dish soap. Scrape off excess food from your dishes. Do not soak in water. That's one of the requirements. They're saying don't soak it in water. Fully squeeze the trigger and spray directly on dishes for fast, continuous coverage. For lightly soiled dishes, just rinse with water. For heavily soiled dishes, first allow suds to sit for a few minutes, then wipe and rinse. And they kind of make it a little bit clear right here. Spray, wipe, rinse. That's all you have to do. So I'm going to try this out a little bit later. So you might want to check another video that I'm going to be doing right here. I'm going to be actually using this method that they say: spray, wipe, rinse. All right. It says if you are a starter running low, it might be time for a real refill. So you can buy refills to this right here and snap it on. I don't understand why they don't buy you or just give you a whole new bottle, because it's pretty much all it is a refill with a cap. Maybe the cap is kind of expensive. I'm not sure. But there it is. It just talks about putting on the refill. You turn it clockwise to release. All right. Remove discard disposal cap and bottle. All right, so we're just going to do that later. I'm just going to release it, you just go like this and pull it off. And to put the new one on, you just go like that, I guess. Right? Yep, in place. Cool. Cool beans. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try this out and test this out and see how it works. That's the unboxing of the Dawn Power Wash Platinum. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.